Hello, my name is Federico. I'm with Garza Web Design, and today I would like to show the folks over at Grace how to fix an image, optimize an image for faster page load time. To do this, we're going to go to the leadership page, and it's pretty slow to load up. It doesn't look slow right now, but when I first went on it with no cache, it loaded up very slowly. So what I'm going to do is take a look at this image. So to take a look at it, I'm going to right click it, save image as. I've got one here already, but I'm going to go ahead and just label this 1B. Hit save. Find the image I just saved, and there it is right there. So it's almost 2 megabytes in size. What we're going to do is we're going to reduce this size here. And you can see it is 3000 by 4000 pixels. The way we have it here, it's just maybe 300 or 400 pixels wide. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this a much smaller image. To do that, we're going to go to tinypng.com. And let's see, here we are. Let's go ahead and, so what I'm going to do is just drag and drop that into here. And you can see it's 2 megabytes it measures it at. And it's still trying to work on it. While it's working on it, I'm going to try another one. Image. Here's one called Image Optimizer. So we're going to try the same thing here. Oh, there we are. So on TinyPNG, we dropped it from about 2 megabytes to 375 kilobytes. So it was about an 81% save. We're going to try this again with a different website. So it's imageoptimizer.net. Here's the max width. To see what this width should be, I am going to just see what that is. So what I did is I right clicked the image and went to image inspect inspect. And so you can see the width here is 222 pixels. The width of the image is over 3000 pixels, but the actual width that we're using is 222. The height is 296. So I'm just going to say 225 for us. Well, maybe I'll just double it, 444 for us. This allows us to change the size. So here's the one right here. So I'll select that, click open, and it's uploading. What I say, 444. And we'll just leave that 900 because I think that would work. Let's verify that. Image inspect, and 222 by 296. So what's the double of 296 would be 592. Let's try that. That's a mistake. 444, 592. All right. Well, that's just the max height, so we're just going to leave that alone. And let's optimize now. So you can see it went from almost 2 megabytes to 0.73 megabytes. So let's download this. Save. Optimized Emily. Let's go find that file. There it is. And it's about 174. What did TinyPNG do? That. So we're going to throw this into TinyPNG and see what happens. This newly optimized image. See if it improves it at all. Look at that. So it's down to 38 kilobytes. That's what we want. So I click download, click OK. I want to name this Emily Web. Click save. And that's what we want. So we're going from almost, 1,963 kilobytes down to 38 kilobytes. That's going to be a much faster page load time on the website. So let's go here and let's go ahead and swap this image out. To do that, you click edit. Here we are. This should be full, and it is. To swap this image out, we're going to right click it and left click image properties. There we are. We're going to remove this and click browse. And there's Emily Web right there. You can hover over it and you can see it's 37 kilobytes. So I'm going to click this once, click open. So right here, I'm going to the Reverend Emily. So what I like to do is I like to make sure I am as verbose as possible with the alternative text. This is for ADA compliance. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to click save. Notice how it's centered. I'm going to keep that there. And save. And that's it. Now it should be much faster. Let's click on this, inspect element. And you can see now the natural width is 444. So it's a much smaller image. It's going to be much smaller in terms of file size, page load size, actual width and height size. It's just a much better user experience for those who are on a phone. Maybe they're doing G3 speeds, or they're on a slow internet connection of any type. Well, that's it. I hope this was helpful. Thank you very much, and you have a good day.